How do advocacy campaigns fund bone cancer breakthroughs? Imagine a community coming together to make a real difference in the fight against bone cancer. That's exactly what advocacy campaigns do. They primarily raise private donations and grants, which are then funneled into research institutions, clinical trials, and patient support programs. Unlike relying solely on government funding, these campaigns depend heavily on individual donors, corporate sponsors, and philanthropic organizations dedicated to advancing cancer research. One of the main ways they do this is through organizing fundraising events and digital crowdfunding platforms. These events bring together families, friends, and communities affected by bone cancer to contribute. The funds collected go directly toward supporting research projects, clinical trials, and innovative treatments aimed at improving patient outcomes. Foundations like the Bone Marrow and Cancer Foundation relying entirely on these private donations to fund their programs and services, including research support. Advocacy groups also award grants to researchers who focus on bone cancer or related sarcomas. These grants help fund laboratory studies, translational research, and clinical trials that seek to better understand bone cancer biology and develop new therapies. Often, these organizations work closely with hospitals and cancer centers to ensure that research efforts are relevant and patient-centered. Supporting patients is another vital aspect. Advocacy campaigns provide services such as counseling, patient navigation, and financial assistance. These programs help improve quality of life and keep patients engaged with their treatment and research opportunities. When patients feel supported, they are more likely to participate in clinical trials and new therapies, which accelerates progress. Partnerships with corporations and philanthropic entities are also key. These collaborations can include matching gift programs, sponsorship of research initiatives, and joint awareness campaigns. Such partnerships increase visibility and funding, creating a larger impact for bone cancer research. Digital platforms like crowdfunding sites enable patients and families to raise funds directly for treatment and research. These platforms also foster supportive communities, making it easier for people to contribute and stay connected. Additionally, some advocacy groups offer financial aid and copay relief programs, helping patients manage treatment costs. This support can enable more patients to participate in clinical trials and access new therapies, further advancing research. In summary, advocacy campaigns fuel bone cancer breakthroughs by rallying private donations, awarding research grants, forming strategic partnerships, and providing essential support to patients. These efforts build a sustainable funding ecosystem that drives scientific discovery and helps improve lives, all without relying solely on government resources. For anyone interested in supporting this vital work, contributing to these campaigns can truly make a difference in the future of bone cancer treatment. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice and stay informed through reputable sources.